So here's 3 problems to review, actually from the homework, but it's helpful to review. The first one we already did, so I'm not going to revisit it. But the next one, if you go u dv, v du, what did you pick for u? X or sine x? X, yep. And this one will be sine x. Just a quick little liate check. You have u's are up and dv's are down, and x is algebra and sine x is trig. So you can see that dv is closest to sine and u is closest to x. So I did that correctly with that. And then the derivative of x is 1 dx. The antiderivative of sine is negative cosine x. That's the anti of sine. So when I do crazy x marks the spot, we'll get negative x cosine x minus the antiderivative of negative cosine x dx. And what is the antiderivative of cosine? Anti of cosine. Sine or negative sine? It is positive sine because the derivative of sine is cosine. So the anti of cosine is sine. Easy to get wrong on a test. Ooh, I can't wait to see what you do with this one. And now I'll see if you're paying attention to liate. U dv, v du, and v. So this, if I do liate this time, and I put u's are up, dv's are down, and I put x squared for algebra, and natural log is going to be what? Log. Natural log is up here. So it looks like u is going to be ln of x, and dv is going to be my algebra, which seems counterintuitive, doesn't it? It does. Why is that? Well, take a look at what happens when I take the antiderivative. The derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. That's good. But what's the anti of x squared? X cubed over 3, right? So it actually went up, which seems bad, but actually it's good. Uh-oh. We just had a glitch here. So this is going to be x cubed over 3 ln of x minus the antiderivative of x cubed over 3 x dx. What does that simplify to? Yeah, it'll just be x squared over 3. Is that a big deal to take the antiderivative of? No. Of x, so this is going to be x to the 3rd over 3 times 3 plus c. That's a weird one. By the way, sometimes you might have to do integration by parts 2 or even 3 times. And beware, if you saw this, how many times would you have to take that antiderivative? 5 times. So I won't put anything over 7. No, probably not 2.